Let's make a floral pocket hanger with these Dollar Tree items. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so you've probably seen these floral pocket hangers all over the internet. Let me do my spin on it. I'm using some Dollar Tree rulers. There are 4 of them, and you just peel off that plastic part. Then I just arrange them so that the holes I want 2 holes on the ends. That's what we want. Then I have a craft stick, and I'm just going to cut it down to the size of the width of our rulers. Easy peasy. I'm using some Fiskars shears. Then I have some wood glue and some hot glue, and I am going to glue it just under those holes. And I'm going to do the same thing on another one. So that this is just so we have it glued together and it has stability, right? Perfect. Then I'm going to paint it with, this is the color Java, it's chalk paint. Do a nice thick coat, and then I use my comb method, and we're just going to comb it so that it gives some streaks, okay? We're going to do the same thing on the other side once that other side is dry. Same method with the comb, let it dry. Then once it's dry, I'm using just a tea light candle, and I'm just rubbing it here and there, and then I coat it with it's just a thin coat of white chalk paint, and then let it dry, and then we sand it, and it looks so good. We did the same thing on the other side, and again, sand it, and this is I told you before, I warned you. I was very forthcoming. I am going to do this technique all the time now because I love it. I love the way it looks. Again, I'm just sanding, easy, right? And I'll be honest with you, this part with the craft sticks, I thought that was going to be the back. But as I was doing this and I was sanding it, I'm like, I don't know. Now I have these cute little bags from Dollar Tree. They were obviously for Valentine's Day. And I'm going to roll over the edge. I'm going to take out the little strings because we don't need that. And then again, like I was saying before, I thought that the other side, see, this is me like, what am I going to do here? So I take some jute and I'm just going to tie it in a bow on the bottom just so that we cover those 2 holes. Perfect. And then, like I said, I was like, oh, well, this was supposed to be the front. And I'm like, I don't know. I flipped it over and I'm like, yeah, I think that the back is now going to be the front. So I just add some glue to that where I want the bag to be. Now, just keep in mind, though, this is a very open fiber and you don't want to press it from the top or else you're not going to have a pocket. So I used a craft stick just to glue it down. Then I put some jute in the hole and I added some wood beads. Again, listen, when I do these projects, it's as big of a surprise to me as it is to you because I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Like as I go, I'm making it up as I go and it's great. All right. So then I added just a couple of knots at the end and right. Oh, I'm so excited. Then I added some Spanish moss. I almost said wood. Hey, nuts. I know. I added some Spanish moss to the pocket. And then I had gotten these florals at Walmart. They were on clearance. They're like little lavender things. Look at how pretty this is. Now, this is where I thought I was ended. I was like, oh, but it was bugging me. I thought it needed something. So all I did was I added a little square of burlap, and this little bunny was a ribbon. And I just cut the bunny part, just a square of it, and glued it on. That's as easy as that got, right? Whew. Let me tell you, I am so excited about this. I love purple. I love bunnies. I love rustic. This hits all of the check boxes for me. Anyways, maybe it doesn't for you, and that's okay. Maybe it'll give you an idea on how you do yours. Hooray. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspired you.